Well, hello everyone, and welcome in, people. Glad to see you. Okay, so what have we got today? Okay, well, let me just tell you. Right, uh, let's just get this. Okay, so here we go. Right, just transfer my camera over, lads. Okay, so here we go. This is my tire pressure gauge that I use regularly every week to check the pressures on my car, side pressures on my car, sorry. And well, last week it died on me, and it was of course, the battery. It's a digital tire pressure gauge. It's called Tyre Plus. Let's see if I can just get it to focus there for you. It's called Tyre Plus. Not having much luck with the focus. Yeah. Okay, well, basically, it just says Tyre Plus digital tire pressure gauge. That's what it says there. You can get it to focus, and the battery died. Now, for your information here, because I've never actually had to change the batteries in this before, and I didn't know what type of batteries it takes. I have already opened this to determine the type of batteries required, because if I'd just done this live with not knowing the type of batteries, because I don't have the documentation for it, and I've been online and it doesn't actually say what batteries are inside this, so I've had to open this myself to find out. Here you go, these are the old batteries, and these are L1154 button type batteries. It takes two of them inside. Yeah, these are the old one that I've already took out. I've not put the new ones in yet. I had to send away for them. Here they are. They've arrived. They arrived yesterday. Brand new. I'm not even on the package yet. So we're going to be opening it today and reinstalling the batteries inside my digital tire pressure gauge. So basically, it's just a short video, and it's quite simple. Because I've opened before, it's just 3 screws. The whole unit comes out. It's not separated. It's in two halves, as you can see. On this side is the actual on-off, or the on-off read button, as you say. In there is your digital LCD digital display, so it displays your tire pressure, and that's basically all there is to it. That's just where you put it onto the tire to actually get your reading. So, without further ado, let me open this up, because I said I've already opened up to take out the batteries, because I need to know what type of batteries to order to do this video. So I'll just get this in a bit closer for you, just so that you can see what's going on. Yep, just so you can see what's going on. Let me open that up, get it up there, and here we go. Right, so 3 batteries on the back, 3 screws on the back. These are not captured screws, so they do come all the way out, but you need this, as I found out. Now, I do have another tire pressure gauge, which is a manual one, which I've had from the 70s, which is probably one of my most favourite, but this one I used to carry with me. I carry with me when I'm going out and about on long journeys. So that's those 2. And that's that. And then we just 1 second, guys. I just need a quick prying tool. I've got my prying tool in here of different sizes, for iPhones, laptops, all sorts. I just need a quick prying tool. I can find it. It's not that one. It's not that one. It's not actually this one, but no, it's amazing, isn't it? There it is. Spotted it. Hey, it's that one. Okay. So, quick prime tool, we'll just pry that off, there we go. And you got to be careful because there's a circuit board. This actually sits inside here, it does actually come out. To make the job easier, but all we're going to do is slide 2 batteries in under here. So, as I said, these are the old batteries, so we no longer want them. These are my new batteries, so I'll just take 2 off the bottom here. Put these away for further use. These are the new ones. I don't want to get the old one mixed up, so I'll just move them totally out of the way. And I'll take those to the tip with me, and we're going to replace these two. So as I say, these are button battery, and they're L1154 or LR44. So if you see there, okay, sorry guys, just get you in. If you, the focus on this is just giving me hassle today. Let me see if I can get it on the other one. Will the other one help me out? Not having much luck with the focuses on these. These are right. No, I'm not having much luck. Focus is not playing. It's not playing the game today. Let me just tip that up a bit. Yes, I'm having difficulty getting the camera to focus. Right, okay, so these are they're LR44s, but they're actually they're also compatible L1154 FGV type button batteries. They're the same things. So I actually ordered the L1154, but it just says LR44 alkaline 1.5 volt batteries, which is what I need. So there you go. So let me just see if I can have more luck if I use the full card. Let's see if that helps you out. Not really winning today, am I? Not having the best of luck. Let's try this one again. Okay, that's what you get when you use cheap webcams. I have actually got another camera, a better camera, a 4K camera, which I'm not set up yet because I'm actually going to reconfigure my little work office here. It's only a little box room I use, which is my work office. And as I've been expanding, I've been finding that space is getting a premium. So I'm actually going to reconfigure this and lay it out better. And what I'll have is the light coming in from the back of the cameras rather than from the front. But that's another time. At the moment, I've got some work going on in my kitchen. We've just had a false ceiling put in, some spots put in. The kitchen's being reconfigured for a new kitchen. So at the moment, that's going on. So I'm not going to do it yet because of all of the dust and dirt that's floating around. But anyway, let's crack on. So like I said, what I'm going to do here now is replace the 2 batteries. So what happens is the batteries actually go into these 2 holders here. That's where I got the old 2 batteries from, and it only goes in from one side. So the battery it's released from this side. You have to push them in and push them in from that side, and there's a clamp that just clamps over. So I'm just now going to put the 2 batteries in. So let's get the first one in. Positive to the so it goes there you go. it goes with this side downwards. So this side, when it goes in, it's got to be that way. So the writing's actually the name and model type of the battery is actually upwards, facing up. So the first one goes in under there, and you've got to push it right in. There you go. Right in until it clicks under, and then we'll do the same with the second. And that's it. Quick and easy. It took more time for me explaining everything than it actually did to actually replace the batteries. So there you go. Push it right in. Can you see it? This one's just been a bit of a pain, as it wants to be. It always is. The first one's nice and quick, but the second one's always a pain. So there you go now. So that's the battery. As you see, that's just come up. So that's the batteries in now. Yeah. So that's the batteries in. And there you go. Press, and now you can see the digital display has come up. There you go. So this is the display has come up. Right, so now all it is now is just a case of replacing that back in. That can actually go in as such. That goes into there with the valve type facing the valve. And that actually just seats in. It actually, if you put it in like that, it actually seats in as it should do correctly. And then what you do is you just angle the bottom in as such. You hear it click. The battery sits into these housings here to keep it in place. So I'll put the bottom screw back in first. And then I'll just negotiate these two screws. There you go. That's one. That's two. And then there you go. You just heard it click back into place. There you go. And that is it. That is all there is to that. So now my digital tire pressure gauge is now once again ready for action. So there you go. Let me just check something out here because it seems to be stuck. Oh, that's odd. It seems to be stuck on a reading of 1.8.8.8.8. So let me just see if I've got something. Let me see if there's just something trapped. So it was working while it was separated, and now all of a sudden it seems stuck in a loop. So let me just undo this again. Let me have a look. You see it's gone back to 0, 0. So I'm just wondering if I have something causing a short somewhere. Just checking that battery out. Okay, press that. Okay, so it's gone back to 0. I'm just wondering if it needed to. Okay, it seems okay, and it's 0, 0. Now let's try again. Just fasten these two down, get these two started. Seems to be in a better position now. What time is it? 4 o'clock. Yep, that's good. Yep, seems to be there. Yep. There we go. Right, it's reset now. There we go. It's not stuck anymore. And then what happens is after a while that disappears. So you press that, it goes to there, then it resets. See? Oh, right, okay. You didn't see that. I'll do that again. Let me take this camera out of the way a second. And I'll use this camera. Okay, so now you see the screen at the moment is 0. There you go, I press that and there you see it resets that back down to 0. Then after a while, it should go out. So we'll just wait and see how long that takes to go out. There you go. So it disappeared, and when you press that button, it reopens it. There you go. Then it's 0, and then you take your pressure. Obviously, when you put it on your tire, it takes your pressure, and the pressure will read up. So that's it. So that's my tire pressure gauge ready again. New batteries in. Okay, I do like that. This is my mobile battery. I take this one with me anywhere I go. But I've got another one that I use at home. So that's it, guys. So once again, I hope you've learned something. So if you've got one of these tire pressure gauge and it's died on you and you want to know how to actually repair it, as you can see, it's not hard to do. It's not really that hard to do. Just change the camera there. And there you go. So that's it. Alright guys, hope you learned something. As we say in the trade, see you again soon.